Good morning, students. I hope you are feeling well at home. So, today we are discussing your chapter number first, and that is number system. We are going to revise this one. Okay. So, first one, what is number system? You know what is a digit, and I think you also know what is number. Number means when one or more than one digit combined together to make a numbers. Okay. So today we are discussing how to find a real number between two given numbers, or we can also find a irrational number between two given irrational numbers. Okay. So let us start. Okay. So if first rule, if A and B are two given rational numbers, where condition is that B is greater than A, means B is always greater than A. It means if we are taking A equal to 2, then B is definitely greater than 2. It means we can take 3. So there is a rule, a rational number between A and B is equal to A plus B by 2. Okay. If we have two rational numbers and find out a rational number between them, then we have applied this formula, but condition is that B is always greater than A. So a rational number between A and B is A plus B by 2. Now we discuss with one example. What is the example? Let us consider, find a rational number between 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. So clearly here 3 by 2 is greater than 1 by 2. Okay, so what is rule of rational number? What is solution? A rational number between A and B is a rational number between 1 by 2 and 3 by 2 is, what is 1 by 2 in bracket we can write 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. That one is, it means 1 by 2 in bracket of h equal to 2, and this is 1 plus 3, so it will be 1 by 2 into 4 by 2. Okay. And now 2 to the 4, 2, so 1. So between 1 by 2 and 3 by 2 is 1. And we can also see this by representation of graph also. If we represent here, this is real number 0 and here is 1 by 2. Somewhere here is 1, then it is 3 by 2. Okay. Now, how to insert a rational number more than one rational number? As we know that how many rational number between two given rational number, there is infinite many rational numbers. Okay. So insert two rational number between minus 1 by 5 and 1 by 2. We can find it. Okay. And then after, I think we have which of the following statement is true? Root 3 by 5 is a rational number. There are infinite many integers between any two integers. C option, number of rational number between 6 and 16 is finite. And D option, there are numbers which cannot be written in the form of P upon Q. Q is not equal to 0 where P and Q are integers. So this one is correct option. Okay. Write any two irrational number. Okay. So these are root 7 and root 11. What is the irrational number? Irrational number, any number which cannot be written in the form of P upon Q. Q is not equal to 0 where P and Q both are co-prime. Okay. So now we have to write some law of exponent. Law of exponents. Okay. What is first law? If we can write a to the power n into a to the power n, then we can write a to the power n plus n. For example is that if we take 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 6, then according to this law we can write 2 to the power 4 plus 6, that is 2 to the power 10. Okay. And next, a to the power n into divided by a to the power m, and then it will be a to the power m minus n. And third one, if a to the power m to the power n, then for are going to multiply them m into n. And fourth one, if a to the power 0, then it becomes 1. Okay. And fifth one, fifth, a to the power minus 1, then we can write 1 upon a to the power 1 upon a. Okay, and second one, if a to the power minus n, then we can write 1 upon a to the power n. And if seventh one, it is written 1 by a to the power minus n, then we can write a to the power n. And if it is written in root something, root a, suppose root a, then we can write a to the power 1 by 2. And somewhere if it is written root here written 3, okay, then we can write a to the power 1 by 3. And if here is written nth root, okay, a, then a to the power 1 by n, okay. So some question for you as homework. First one is find the value of x. First one is find the value of x if 7 to the power 5x minus 8 into 5 to the power x plus 2 equal to 30,625. And second one, find uh, 256 to the power 0.16 into 256 to the power 0.09. And third one, simplify 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube to the power 1 by 2. Okay. Thank you for watching.